What's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrex back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make that Memoji talk with the MacBook Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come up, tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. Now WWDC had come and gone, and you probably saw Tim Cook's message where Memoji is talking while having a MacBook Pro with a bunch of WWDC stickers in front of it. And today we're going to show you how to do that. Now, first, what you need to do is go to messages and click yourself, send yourself a video, swipe up and choose the Memoji and start recording. Now, by pressing the record button on the right side there, you'll be able to use some emoji and be able to make it talk. Once you are done recording yourself, you would then save that video to your photos, and then you're gonna send that to my Instagram called TechTrex, and I will send it back to you with the WWDC MacBook Pro. And that's it for the day, guys. It's pretty easy actually on how to make a WWDC MacBook Pro while your Memoji is talking. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, share this to your friends, hit the like button and comment below. Stay safe out there. Peace.